I'm actually enjoying it a lot. It's been fun. We've been practicing hard. We got a group of young guys, so it's a good thing that we're working hard, and the team is getting better every day, so a lot of fun.
You've been through so many of these training camps over so many years. Is it sort of fun to have a new group and new experiences? And new people?
Yeah. I was thinking that yesterday. It's fun. Got a chance to play with a bunch of young guys. Some of them very, very young, and new team, new coaches, the excitement of a new season, the excitement of a new team. I'm enjoying it.
What do you make of Bismack?
He's doing a great training camp so far. He's giving us the inside presence, block shot, the center type of player that we really need. He's also going after every rebound, which is something that coach really want. I think he's doing a great camp, but I think it's going to be a huge part of us.
What do you hope to bring to this team on a nightly basis, other than experience?
I've been playing a certain way for many years. Pretty much between those lines would be what I'll do next year. I'm not gonna change too much. Hopefully not for the worse, and most likely not for the better neither. It was what I've been playing these years on between those lines is going to be what I'll play next year.
You mentioned the youthful enthusiasm. Can that re-energize or energize you? Not that you need it, but does that help even with you?
No, I think everybody needs it, and I think it helped me, and I think, yes, it can re-energize me. It's like kind of, like a breath of fresh air. You come in, and this gives you a little bit more motivation, a little bit more enthusiasm going to practice, and you run a little more, and that creates an effect. You're in better shape, you play better, you make more shots, and things go better. Hopefully I can maintain that enthusiasm throughout training camp and throughout the season.
Dwayne was speaking to us earlier in the week that your sort of your IQ, intelligence, able to move the ball out of that position is a huge factor. Is it hard to adjust to a new group when that's kind of your role? It
takes you a couple practice, it takes you maybe a couple weeks, but at the end of the training camp, at the end of the month, we should know each other pretty well. It's not like San Antonio, those guys been playing for 10 plus years together, but you would get a pretty good idea of your teammates by the end of training camp, and then you're gonna get better as the year goes on. Obviously you continue to get better all the time, every week, every game, but I don't think it should be. Also, the guys been playing together for a couple of years, so it's not like I'm the only one. So it's just one piece or a couple pieces that you gotta adjust. So it's not like it's a whole new team, and it's gonna take like 3 months to get to know each other. It's just more like a solid team that has been playing together for a couple of years that added a few pieces, and those gotta get inside the system. So I think it's gonna be quick.
It's not like you're a 22-year-old kid who's ever been through it before.
I have a dot in the past a couple times, so I'll just do it one more time, I figure.
As a vet, Luis, how do you approach the preseason as far as gearing up for the season, parts of your game that you're looking to refine?
Well, the first part is getting in good shape, good rhythm going into the season. That's the first part. But, being a new team, you also want to show. You want to show what you can do. You want to make teams comfortable. You want to make coach comfortable on playing you, guys comfortable of passing you the ball. So you got to create that confidence and that trust. And, those things kind of urge. You want to do it. You want to do them right now. If this would be my team for the last 10 years, maybe I'm thinking, just get ready for the season, just get in shape. But it's a little bit different when you play in a new team. You want to do a little bit more. So sometimes goes against you because you put a little bit extra pressure, and things become a little bit slower than it should be. But like he asked me before, it gives you also enthusiasm, it gives you also a little bit extra energy, and it could be a good thing too.